Hello everybody, my name is Ahmed Naveed and today we are going to be unboxing this this parcel which is from Amazon. You may be able to recognise the logo, so you might be able to guess what it is. If you can, please put it in the comments down below. So this is just unboxing. It's not a review or anything for it, because there'll be a full video about that. So I'm just going to open this. So this is just how we got it in the box. I'm just going to cut the tape off. So this is the gun, as you can see. It's quite a large gun. I'll put this to the side. It's got this this bullet thing, and this has got 40 spaces for bullets, so it's got 40 spaces, and it's going to either do the outer layer or the inner layer. You can switch that by switching the switch on the side. Okay. And you can just bear with me. Got a lot of cardboard in, which is again safety. So there's bullets in here, and there is also another packet of bullets. Altogether these are 96, even though it can shoot 40. So just in case, you've got a manual to go with it, I think. And then you've also got 2 guardrails for the gun. So I'm just going to assemble it in front of you right now, so you can see that just goes into there, and then it's also the same on the other side. And then to get this in, there's a button here, and then you can press that button and pull it back. Then you should be able to line it up correctly, and then you can push it back. So it may take a few tries to get it exactly in place and to line everything up. Just like that. That's to switch rounds, and then that's just, so as you can see over there, it wasn't in correctly. So I'll place it in, and then I'll come back to you. So everybody, I'll make an entire video about this. So everybody, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and bye.